Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you will be fine. Today's our lecture is about parallel sides. Unit 6 geometry. So open your textbook page 186. Let's us practice. Question number 1, tick the shapes which have parallel sides. जिसकी दोनों sides equal होती हैं उसे कहते हैं parallel sides. So students, first shape is parallel because it has both sides are equal. So tick. Second shape is are not equal. Third shape are also parallel. So tick. Next is circle. It has no parallel because you can see here no edges, no sides. Next is parallel. This one is not parallel. Last is also a parallel. Second question है हमारा, write 6 sets of parallel lines that you can find in your classroom. क्लासरूम में हमें 6 चीज़ें ऐसी तलाश करनी है जो पैरेलल लाइंस पर मुश्तमिल होती हैं. फर्स्ट है एजेस ऑफ टेक्स्ट बुक के जो एजेस होते हैं इक्वल होते हैं, सो इज पैरेलल. सेकंड स्केल. थर्ड बोर्ड. 4 वॉल्स. 5 desk. 6 cupboard.
Turn next page 188. Okay students, now it's time to write the name of these shapes. First shape is parallelogram. Second is square. Third one is triangle. Next is kite. Other is rhombus. Next is rectangle. And last one is parallelogram. So put these names on your textbook, learn it, write it, and take very good care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.